Hello and welcome to Mike's Red Hat Storage videos. My name is Mike Flannery and I'm a storage solution architect at Red Hat. In this video, I will be showing you how to install and configure the Red Hat Storage Console version 2.0. In my first video, I showed how to create 8 virtual machines to run my Ceph cluster. That's now complete and you can see the last of the output of the script on the right-hand side of my screen. Before I started this video, I created an SSH key as the root user on my admin server and then copied this key to all of the other nodes in the cluster to facilitate passwordless SSH. I've also registered my Red Hat subscription and attached the software pool that includes the Red Hat Ceph storage on all nodes. Lastly, I disabled the default repositories on all nodes and will enable the repositories necessary for each node as we install it. You can see all the commands I executed to do this in the window on the left-hand side of the screen. To install the Red Hat Storage Console, we first need to enable the appropriate repositories and then import the Red Hat release key. After we update or enable the repositories and install or import the release key, I'm going to do a yum update and then we'll do a quick reboot. After the system comes back, we ensure the firewall is running and is enabled. And then we update the firewall settings, opening the appropriate ports for the admin server. And this error or warning is a typo. I already opened 8080. Now we're going to install NTP. We're going to edit the etc ntp.conf file to add our peers. And we're also going to update the etc host file. Now we can start and enable NTP and do a quick NTPQ-P where we can see our peer group is actually listed. Now we want to install the storage console packages. With the console installed, we make one last change to the firewall, reload the firewall, and then run skyring-setup to actually set up the console. Setting up the console is a very simple process. You're prompted for all of the information that you need to set it up. I answer yes to all prompts, enter my email address, enter a password. This is not the password for your access.redhat account. Enter the fully qualified domain name of the server, which is already there. I want to generate a self-signed certificate, so I answer yes. Certificate is being generated and installed, and now it's ready to go. To verify it, we start a browser, and go to Ceph admin, cluster.net, Skyring. I don't have a private connection because it doesn't like my certificate. That's okay, I don't care. You log in with the username admin and the password admin as well. That's the default. Click login and we can see the console here. We can't see anything in it yet because we don't have any hosts and we haven't created any clusters. Thanks for watching this video on how to install the Red Hat Storage Console. Be sure to catch my other videos where I show how to install a Ceph cluster using the Red Hat Storage Console and how to connect to the Ceph storage using a Ceph RBD and using the object APIs in Python.